Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how to do this super simple easy style and also how to get the Got2B gel to last longer. Okay, so this is the hair freshly washed. The original texture is body wave. I did bleach the knots, and now I'm just going to be putting the wig on so you guys can see. So this lace is super light. It's supposed to be some kind of nude transparent lace, however it's just not transparent. Well, at least not on my skin tone. It took me a lot to actually get the lace to blend, okay, but it eventually did. However, it just took a little bit more time in my opinion, but you guys will see as I go along. So this is how I'm going to make the Got2B stronger. I'm going to be mixing the gel and the spray, just mixing it all together, and with that you get a thicker and stronger consistency. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If my eyes go a little crazy in this video, it's because I actually got a new camera and it's hard to not look in the viewfinder. It's just way different from my other camera. So if I'm looking here and looking there, just know I'm not used to the camera yet. So anywho guys, I did a really quick and fast styling tutorial. I really like doing these. I don't like to incorporate a whole lot of steps, and I don't like to do a lot on some of my tutorials, just because I want it to be beginner friendly and things like that, because everyone does not know how to actually do some of those things. Okay, so I try to keep things, you know, quick and simple most of the time. So this wig comes from, and it is a wig, it comes from Tinashe hair company. I have reviewed this company in the past, okay, and I had their bundles, nothing but positive things in the past, as well as this time also. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. Okay, so this wig did come body wave, and it's supposed to be like transparent lace. And now I will say that the lace is super light, but I guess that's a part of like the whole transparent thing, but it's really light for my skin tone. So I did bleach the knots. I put a little bit of like lace tint spray, and I do have a video on how I make that. And I also had to go in with makeup because it was just way too light for my skin tone. Okay, so yeah, just keep that in mind. This hair is like freshly washed. I did flat iron it. I probably didn't flat iron it like bone straight, but it is flat iron. I haven't been experiencing a lot of shedding or a lot of tangling. Let me see, I think this is 24 inches. Okay, so this wig is 24 inches and it's 250% density. Okay, so this wig is pretty thick. I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the ponytail. So the wig is pretty thick, so you do get a lot of hair. Okay, so 250% density is not like, you know, little strands. You do get quite a bit of hair on your head. Okay, so would I recommend this company? I would. I feel like the prices are affordable, the customer service is nice, and also shipping is fast. Okay, so I did not pluck this frontal at all, guys. Like, I put the wig on and I didn't even widen the part. So all I did was put the wig on and I just kind of swooped it just the way I wanted my part, and I just went with it. And I think this is cute. I always like for my bang to be swooped like that because I feel like my forehead is really big, so I like to have bangs like this. I used to wear my hair like this back in the day. So with this style, you can put it back in like one of those low ponytails like everyone is wearing now, or you can just wear it like this. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it, guys. I think I covered all bases. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to y'all in my next video.